Have you ever wondered about the most complex organ in your body? Yes, it's your brain. The human brain, a marvel of evolution, is the most intricate organ within our bodies. It's not just about the sheer number of neurons, which are around 100 billion, but also about the staggering complexity of the connections between them. The brain is the grand orchestrator, the maestro behind the scenes, commanding the symphony of our existence. It's the command center for the human nervous system, receiving signals from the body's sensory organs, making sense of that data, and then directing how we respond or behave. It's the hub of our thoughts, emotions, memory, speech, and so much more. It's responsible for every heartbeat, every breath, every blink, and every movement. The brain is an organ of unparalleled complexity, an intricate network of connections, and a testament to the wonder that is life. So now, are you ready to dive into some mind-blowing facts about your brain? Fact number 1, your brain is energy hungry. Now let's delve deeper into this fascinating fact, shall we? The brain, while being one of the smallest organs in the human body, is a massive energy consumer. We're talking about a whopping 20% of your body's total energy and oxygen intake. Pretty amazing, isn't it? Allow me to put this into perspective for you. The average adult brain weighs about 3 pounds, which is roughly 2% of total body weight. Now imagine that tiny fraction of your body using up a fifth of all the energy you consume. It's like having a miniature power plant right there in your head, working tirelessly around the clock. You see, the brain is constantly active, even when you're asleep. It's the control center for all your body's functions, from regulating your heartbeat and breathing to processing information and forming memories. All these tasks require a substantial amount of energy. And it's not just about the energy. The brain also consumes a significant portion of the oxygen we breathe. Oxygen is vital to brain function as it is used to create energy in the form of ATP, which is the primary energy carrier in all living organisms. Without a steady supply of oxygen, the brain cannot function properly, and prolonged oxygen deprivation can lead to severe damage. What's more, the brain's energy consumption doesn't vary much regardless of what we're doing. Whether you're solving a complex math problem, running a marathon, or just daydreaming, the brain's energy consumption remains relatively constant. It's a testament to the brain's incredible efficiency and adaptability. It's truly a marvel of nature, a testament to the intricate and complex design of the human body. Every cell, every neuron in your brain is working tirelessly, consuming energy and oxygen, all to keep you functioning, thinking, and being. So, the next time you're feeling mentally drained after a long day of work or study, remember this. Your brain has been working hard, consuming energy and oxygen, all to keep you at your best. Isn't it surprising how such a small part of your body consumes so much energy? Moving on to fact number 2, your brain is a speed demon. Now let's delve into the concept of how fast your thoughts can actually travel. It's quite astounding, to say the least. You see, your brain is a network of neurons, these tiny cells that transmit information. They're like the internet cables of your mind, if you will. Now, these neurons aren't all the same. They come in different types, and the speed at which they send signals can vary greatly. Imagine you're in a room full of people. Some are whispering, others are shouting. The whispers represent the slower neurons, while the shouts represent the faster ones. Now, the slowest of these neurons transmit information at a sluggish pace of 1 mile per hour. That's about the speed of a leisurely stroll. But don't be fooled, not all neurons are this slow. You see, the fastest neurons in your brain can transmit information at a whopping 270 miles per hour. That's faster than a cheetah, faster than the fastest train, and even faster than most commercial airplanes. How is this possible, you might ask? Well, these fast neurons are actually insulated with a substance called myelin. It's like the rubber coating on an electric wire, and it allows signals to travel much faster by preventing them from getting lost or scattered. So, whether you're solving a complex math problem or simply deciding what to eat for breakfast, your thoughts are racing through your brain at breakneck speeds. It's a marvelous feat of nature, a testament to the sheer complexity and power of the human brain. But remember, speed isn't everything. The slow neurons are just as important. They handle tasks that don't require immediate action, like maintaining your body's internal balance. So fast or slow, every neuron has its role to play in the grand scheme of things. To put things in perspective, The fastest neurons transmit information nearly 300 times faster than the slowest ones. That's faster than a Formula One car. Can you believe it? Fact number 3. Your brain is extraordinarily active while you sleep. Now, let's dive into the fascinating world of dreams. It's a common misconception that our brains go into a passive state when we sleep. In reality, the brain is anything but idle during this time. It's hard at work, processing information from the day, forming memories, and yes, dreaming. You might be surprised to learn that the brain's activity level during sleep can often be higher than when a person is awake. In fact, during the REM stage of sleep, when most dreaming occurs, the brain is almost as active as it is when we're awake and alert. This is why some people can remember their dreams in vivid detail, while others can't recall a single thing. It all depends on how deep into the REM cycle they were when they woke up. Dreams are a product of the brain's remarkable ability to create a reality that exists only in our minds. And the power of dreams extends beyond the nighttime hours. They can influence our mood, our decisions, and even our perceptions of reality. They can inspire us, terrify us, and sometimes leave us puzzled. Think about the last dream you had. Was it a fantastical adventure, a surreal experience, or perhaps it was a nightmare that left you in a cold sweat? Whatever it was, it's a testament to your brain's incredible power to create worlds and scenarios that feel as real as the world we live in. But dreaming isn't just about the brain playing out wild scenarios, it's also a vital part of our cognitive processes. Dreams help us process emotions, consolidate memories, and even solve problems. They are, in essence, a nightly therapy session, helping us to deal with the stresses and challenges of the day. So sleeping is not just resting, it's also a time of intense cerebral activity. As we journey further into the wonders of the human brain, let's remember that every time we drift off into sleep, we're not just shutting down for the night. We're embarking on an incredible journey of discovery and self-understanding. All thanks to the astonishing power of our dreams. Fact number 4, your brain is highly adaptable. This remarkable quality of the brain is known as plasticity. It's not about being squishy or malleable, but about the brain's incredible ability to change and adapt over time. This process is continuous, happening every single moment of our lives. Imagine you're learning to play a new instrument or a different language. At first, it might feel difficult, almost impossible. But as you practice, it gets easier, right? That's your brain rewiring itself, forming new connections between neurons and strengthening existing ones. The brain's plasticity is like a superpower. It allows us to learn, remember, and adapt to new situations or environments. It's the reason you can develop new skills, acquire knowledge, and even recover from brain injuries. What's even more fascinating is how this process is not limited to childhood or adolescence. Sure, the ability of the brain to change is more robust during these developmental stages. But plasticity persists well into adulthood, defying the old adage that you can't teach an old dog new tricks. And it's not just about learning new things. The brain's plasticity is also our ally in overcoming adversity. It plays a crucial role in recovery after brain damage. Whether it's due to stroke, injury, or disease, the brain can reorganize itself, forming new neural pathways to compensate for the lost functions. But there's a catch. Just like a muscle, the brain needs to be exercised to maintain its plasticity. Keeping your brain active and engaged by learning new things or challenging yourself can help maintain and even improve its capacity to change. So, whether you're learning to juggle, picking up a new language, or recovering from a brain injury, remember this: your brain is capable of extraordinary change. It's flexible, adaptable, and always ready to learn. So, never stop learning, because your brain certainly won't. To recap, we've learned some truly mind-blowing facts about the human brain today. We've uncovered the astonishing complexity of this organ, which is the most intricate structure known to man. We've delved into a fascinating list of brainy facts, from its weight and composition to the number of neurons it houses. We've also explored the incredible speed at which our thoughts travel, zipping across the brain faster than a Formula One race car. We've unraveled the mysterious power of dreams and the brain's role in producing these nightly narratives, offering us a window into the subconscious mind. Lastly, we've marveled at the brain's remarkable flexibility, its ability to adapt and rewire itself, showcasing its resilience and tenacity. Each fact amplifies the fact that our brain is a marvel, an enigma, a testament to the wonders of nature. Remember, your brain is a marvel of nature, a powerhouse of potential. So take good care of it.